are very well aware that matchmaking is a problem that is faced not only in cities, even in towns and small areas. So these days, matrimonial ads are very common. We will know through these ads what society, what parents, what people from different segments of society expect regarding their matches for their girls and for their boys. These ads are very revealing, eye openers, आंखें खोल देने वाली हैं, about change in social expectation. You will know what people expect. Mushroom growth of electronic ads and marriage homes are part of this change. The results of a study cited in Siddiqui are being shared with you. The study is based on 431 ads selected from Pakistani newspapers, both English and Urdu. First, we see what boys expect for their life partner. Let's see. This is in order of preference. Age number 1, qualification number 2, like this. Then comes profession, family and caste, height, workplace. They work in a bank, university, office, factory, residential area. It also counts. Where they live, in posh area, in suburban area, in some town, etc. Social status, the social class, middle, lower, elite. And see another expectation, looks and color of the girl should be attractive. And marital status, girl should be unmarried, most preferably. And nationality and religion or sect, it comes at the last. It means one thing is clear. Age matters most, and religion and sect, it comes at the end. People don't give it so much importance. Females' expectations regarding their future partner, again in order of their preference. We see here that age comes again at number 1, then qualification and height. In case of boys, it was at almost 5th number, but in case of girls, it is at number 3. Then come looks and family and caste, social status, profession, and religion and sect. Then residential area, marital status, nationality, and workplace. There is difference in these criteria which show females' expectations. If we compare these expectations with those of males, so we clearly see some difference. Now, after having seen this difference, let's come to similarities in expectations. And these are very illuminating. Number 1, for males, age comes first, and that too is at number for female. Qualification at number 2 for both. Profession for boys, and see, in case of female, there is no mention of profession in the first 5 expectations. It clearly shows that girls and their families expect that male would earn, he has a responsibility of earning. So, then comes family and caste and height. And in case of female, we see in front of profession, we see height, it counts much for them. So, looks also matter, and family and caste. Definitely, this last one is included in these expectations. It clearly shows that our society has not done away with caste system yet. And in case of matchmaking, parents and their families, they do give it importance, because in certain families still now there is a restriction that they won't marry outside their family or outside of their caste. So we conclude from this research that age and qualification come at top for both sexes. It means that now these days education is being given importance. Profession is important for males, as I explained, but not required of girls in first 5 preferences. And then comes height. Height is important attribute for a girl because it comes at number 3, and for girls, height of males comes at number 5. Males like girls who are tall, but for girls, height comes at number 3. They can compromise over it.